morning students, welcome to English class beta. Yesterday we have completed the exercise of A2, A3 and A4 of the Man Learns to Fly. So today we will do the next exercise. So beta, let's start. So beta, A5 exercise, find words from the text which have the following meanings. Beta, you have to find the words from the text which have the following meaning. The first meaning is formally want to do something. So what is the word from the text? Yes beta, tell me. Yes, determined. Formally want to do something means determined. Second one is you do it to find out what will happen. You do it to find out what will happen. Yes beta, tell me what is the word from the text? Experiment. Experiment. Now third one is experiment किया था ना उन्होंने विंग्स लगा के कि भी उड़ने का, पक्षियों के विंग्स लगा के. Yes. तो नेक्स्ट वन इज थर्ड लैक ऑफ सक्सेस. लैक ऑफ सक्सेस मीन्स सक्सेस में कमी होना. देन दैट मीन्स फेलियर. Now next one is cloth made of flax. Yes beta, tell me cloth made of flax. Yes, linen. You have to read in the lesson that the hot air balloon was made of thin linen and paper. So that is the linen, cloth made of flax. Now next one is come or bring together. So what is the word? Gather. What is the word? Gather. Okay beta, now we will do the A6 exercise. A6 exercise, filling the blanks with the words you have written in A5. बेटा you have written जो A5 वाले वर्ड है आपको वही वर्ड्स को लेके इनको फिल करना है. ओके बेटा, fill the blanks. First one is this dash prove that the earth is round. Yes बेटा, what is the word? This experiment proved that the earth is round. Okay, now second one is I am dash to learn swimming. I am formally want to I am determined to learn swimming. आगे next देखो, the boy wanted to. Yes बेटा, tell me the boy wanted to gather his sheep. Now fourth one, a dash does not discourage me. A failure. Yes, a failure, कोई भी फेल चीज़ मुझे discourage नहीं कर सकती. Now next one is dash is a rough cloth. Yes cloth, linen is a rough cloth. Now we will do the A7 exercise. A7 exercise, find from the text the word opposite in meaning to those given on the left. One has been done for you. बेटा लेफ्ट में जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं उनको आपका राइट, यू हैव टू राइट द अपोजिट्स एंड फाइंड वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट. ओके बेटा. Now first word is high, and what is the opposite of high? Yes beta, what is the opposite of high? Low. Now the second one is safe. What is the opposite of safe? Yes beta, tell me what is the opposite of safe? Dangerous. Now next one, fast. What is the opposite of fast? Yes beta, tell me what is the opposite of fast? Slow. Next one, outside. What is the opposite of outside? Inside. What is the opposite of outside? Inside. Now next one is long. Tell me what is the opposite of long? Yes beta, short. Yes, long, short. High, low. Safe, dangerous. Fast, slow. Outside, inside. Long, short. So you have to learn this way. Okay beta. Now next exercise is A8 exercise. You have to tick the correct spelling beta. You have to tick the correct spelling. There are two spellings here and you have to tick the correct. Okay, so first one is believe. What is the correct spelling beta? Believe, BELIEVE or BELIEIVE. Yes beta, tell me. Yes, in the first column BELIEVE is the correct spelling, so you have to tick this. Okay, and learn this spelling beta. Also learn this spelling. Now second, dangerous. So what is the correct spelling? Dangerous, DANGEROUS. GROUS or DANGEROUS? Better tell me what is the correct spelling? Yes, that one. DANGEROUS. Now third one is balloon. What is the correct spelling balloon? BALOON or BALLOON? Yes, better tell me. Yes, BALLOON, balloon. That is the correct spelling. Now next one is height. What is the correct spelling? Height? HIEGHT or HEIGHT? Yes, that is the correct spelling. HEIGHT, height. Now fifth one, kilometer. KILOMETRE or KILOMETOR? Yes, beta? Yes, in the first column, KILOMETRE is the correct spelling. Now next one, 6, traveled. TRAVELLED, traveled or TRAVELLED? What is the correct spelling? Yes, TRAVELLED, traveled. Now next one देखो, gather. GATHER or GETHER? Yes, beta, tell me what is the correct spelling? Yes, GATHER is the correct spelling. Beta, you have to learn this spelling also. Okay, beta? Now we will do the exercise A9. A9 exercise is, you are an adventurous young person. You are interested in becoming a member of the National Flying Club. Fill in the application form given below. So beta, one form is given and you have to fill your form. Okay beta? National Flying Club, to be filled in by the applicant in his or her own handwriting. So who is an applicant beta? Tell me, who is an applicant? Beta, an applicant is a person who writes the application, yeah, who filled that form, okay, who writes the applicant. So just now, as you want to become a member of National Flying Club, you fill the form, so you are now an applicant. Okay beta, you are now an applicant and you have to fill this form in your own handwriting. Beta, you have to fill this form in your own handwriting. Okay, so start. First of all, you need to write your full name. You have to write your full name. Now in the second, your age, you have to fill your age. What is your age? Now third one is your sex. Beta, if you are male, then you should tick the male, and if you are female, then you will should tick the female. Okay. Now the height, fourth one is height. You will write your height. After that, weight, you will write your weight. And then sixth one है, जैसे their counting is wrong बेटा, 4 5 5 लिख रखा है. 4 5 के बाद 6 है, ये 6 number eyesight. तो number 6 is eyesight. Two options are there, normal and weak. If you have no problem in your eyesight, you can tick normal. Otherwise, you are using any specs, then tick it as a weak. Okay. Now number 7 is hobbies. 3 hobbies you need to write there. You have to write your 3 hobbies. For example, singing, dancing, playing games. Okay. And number 8. Number 8 is a permanent address. And that column you need to write the pin code also. Okay. You have to write your home address and also with your pin code. Okay. Now then the last you need to write 4 or 5 sentences that is describing yourself. Okay beta, so you have to fill that form. Okay. Now that is the exercise from A5 to A9. You have to write on your book and learn it. Thank you.